be still and know that I am God. Yani ni Mungu anakuambia in any moment, usiwahi kuwa na wasiwasi, usiwahi, don't ever have any tension, don't have anxiety. It's not God's desire for you to have anxiety. It's not God's desire for you to have loss or financial challenges or family challenges. No, hiyo si God's will. Rebellion, human rebellion imetufikisha penye tuko. But now God is calling you to reunite with Him through the blood of Jesus Christ. Please take this privilege and align yourself to God. Na nakwambia, you will not have any worry in your heart for whatever thing whatsoever. That's why I'm telling you, hii ni mimi nakukumbusha. Si hata mimi, it's not like I am perfect that nakwambia don't worry because I never worry. When me I worry. But since because of the responsibility that has been given onto me, it is for my responsibility. Nikukumbushe na nikuonyeshe that hii maneno, it is